Laser cutters, do you need great, accurate DXF vector files? With the logic trace system, I can place a part or a pattern on the board, trace it out with lines, arcs, circles, and curves, and get a great vector file for loading into your CNC machine in just a few minutes. Look at that. Oh God, it's so great, so easy. No measuring, just trace with the cursor. We do 3 points here for this arc. There's that arc. I'm now going to switch to a line. And then got another arc at the bottom here. And there's that inside piece. Now I'm going to do some 1-point circles, going to do 1/4-inch holes. Just click a point right smack in the middle there. I could do 3-point circles, but we'll just go ahead and do the center points here. Then I'm going to have that DXF file. I'm going to load it into my laser cutter. I'm going to cut it out like that. It's great. It's done. Save the file.